Hi friends, this is Cory from Cory Style, and today I have a new unboxing video for you. So this doll, I have had her for like a month. This unboxing took me a while because I was a little bit busy with personal tasks. So I found this special edition doll. Her name is Kia Hart. I really love her outfits. Her hair is super pretty. I love the colors on her hair too. And I found it on kind of a good sale on Amazon, so I decided to get her. She does not have a focus on her box, and at the back we can just see like her information and her big illustration over here. And as you can see, the difference also is here. This window of the shoes is in the shape of a heart. Besides that, she has the second outfit. It's super cute, it's pastel colors, and she's also wearing a very pretty outfit. So before I continue with this, let me bring her out of the box and I'll be back with you. Okay, my friends, I am back and I have everything out of the box. First, let's start with this so we can remove it. This is her stand. It's like a very light pink color. It says rainbow. You have the base in here. If you want to put her standing up, well, we have here the stand or the base. And she also comes with her comb. It's the same color, is kind of a light pink, and I really love this tone because I think I have another pink stand, but it's way brighter. So this one is super cute and pretty. She also comes with her hanger and this other hanger in here. Now let's continue to the outfits. I will leave her on this outfit, so I will first show you this one. First, she has this extra pair of shoes. It's actually, the shoes is this part in the bottom, but she comes with this pair of socks too. These are so cute. This is like fluffy fabric. It's made out of plastic. This part, this is fabric too because it's like a sock. And they have this cute detail over here. I really love them. They are very cute, and I like this decoration that is kind of like a heart on the heel. It's super cute. It goes super well. I'm sorry, my hand was all shaky. It goes super well with these details of the sock, which are also tiny hearts. And we also have her second outfit. You need to look at this. Like, it has a lot of things going on, but I really love the color palette. Let me remove the doll for a bit. The color palette is very pastel-like. The jacket is like a jean jacket, and it has some decorations in here. As you can see, it says "Be Sweet." It also has an R. In here it has more decorations. There's sparkle, sweetheart. It has a lot of details. It feels a little bit plasticky rather than jeans, but I mean, it's actually very well done. The quality is very nice. Underneath she has this kind of like a sweater, a hoodie, and it says Heartbreaker with a rainbow printed on it. It's kind of a short top, okay, in here. And these are the two top pieces, but then she also has this like skirt, hoodie, jacket thingy. It has velcro on the back, the colors are pastel, and it's mimicking a hoodie tied to her waist. And under all of this we have the shorts. Shorts are pastel pink. They have very lovely decorations in here, as you can see. On the back we do not have any like pocket, but it's okay. In here we have some tiny holes because of the tags that keep them into the box. I'm okay with that. Actually, this outfit is super cute. This is the outfit that motivated me to buy this doll because I feel it's super cute, and I really love the color palette on this second outfit. And now let's continue with Kia Hart. Her hair is super pretty. As you can see, is pastel color, but it also has tons of rainbow pinkish purplish colors in here going on. So we have some purple, we have some teal, a little bit of yellow green, I think it's a green color. We have pastel pink, a brighter pink, some lilac in here, orange. So we have a lot of things going on, but it's super pretty, okay? Because at the end you can see more the pastel color at the top and underneath all the rainbow. Her routine is a little bit all over the place. As you can see in here, if I open her hair, let's do just this, you can see all the routine in here. Oops. So maybe I will fix this later, we'll see. But so far, I mean, I'm not mad with this like space over there in the base, because you can cover it up very easily. She has her hair done, as you can see, some braids at the top, and they go to the back in these two like ponytails. We also have this lovely love clip and the XOXO clip. Let me show it to you. There we go. The next thing we have in here are her pretty eyes. There. They are kind of brownish, but they have this tint of pink in them, which is actually very nice on this doll, because I have noticed a lot of the rainbow high dolls or shadow high dolls have blue, green or purple eyes. Very few of them have brown eyes, so I think she's one of the first that I have with this brown pinkish eye. Let me see if there. So it's actually very pretty. Her makeup has some glitter in there, you can see. The only thing is that her lips, let me see how I can show you this. I feel her lips on my doll are a little bit messy at the top, because I feel some of the pink is inside of the mouth, so maybe I will redo her lips. She has huge earrings, that says rainbow. She comes with another hoodie. The back is just empty. It's a white hoodie. On the sweater or hoodie it says I love you, but I have chosen fashion. Okay, she has two strands in here. They are kept in place with a tiny tag. I will leave it like that. And underneath she has this black and white shirt, but on the outside we have a little bit of color. Then she has these pretty jeans. I hope you can see the color. It's like, I don't want to say a rainbow color, but it changes. But it's a very like colorful type of fabric. As you can see, it has some printed pockets. These are not real. She has a belt. Okay, you can see it in here. And some tiny decorations in here. We have a lot of hearts printed on the jeans. And I mean, these are lovely. So these are the shoes she comes with. These are normal rainbow high heels. Mine has some stains here and there. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but I'm okay because I feel I can fix that very easily by cleaning them. Overall, they are very pretty, and I like the colors. I really love her outfits. I'm very amazed with this doll. She's super pretty. And well, I hope you're having a lovely day, my friends. Please remember, if you enjoyed this video, to click the like button. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, because that will motivate me a lot to keep making videos for this channel. And it will also make me super happy. Okay, my friends, so that was it for today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye bye!